Kumusta mga palangging? Hold on, I put you moderator. Waiting everyone my channel from Jis Jings. Jis Jings. I will check you. Oh yeah. How are you? You're from where? I don't understand your language. Greetings, welcome to my channel. My friends who don't watch it, not mind, because every time someone comments, I go back and watch them, even if only little and comments. I don't want to get tired and but it's very interesting. I'm just reading your. Oh, you're from Turkey. You have 197 views. Waiting my channel. Okay, I'll go your channel. I will watch one of your show before I subscribe. You are doing this with air thing, Trigo. Would you have a video of a wet air? Wet air? Thank you so much, guys, for stopping by. Hello, Jinsen. I'm on your channel, watching your short video. Thank you so much, Kumrosi. Kumrosisi, whatever this, I don't understand. I don't understand. Thank you for stopping by. My dog is noisy. Hello everyone, let's go outside. I show you something while I'm watching this video of Jinjins. I was gonna marinate my oh, that's a cute dog. I'm going to marinate my chicken. Oh, quiet. Thank you so much, Maribeth. I'm watching your video, Ginseng 35. You guys can connect each other. It's nice out here. It's a little bit breezy. I just watched your video, Gizjing. See, I cannot pronounce. Thank you, Maribeth. Thank you so much. I will just live in a little bit. Short live lang. Short live lang tayo, guys.